Hello my friends! In this quick video I want to show you how each file with collections of tutorials works and what makes it interactive. There are 8 collections that you can get at 10roseday.com/tutorials, and each file hosts an eclectic mix of in-depth tutorials about various knitting methods. Let's take collection number 6 as an example. When you open this file, you will see that right after the title page there is a detailed table of contents. When you want to get to a specific tutorial, you can follow the page number, or you can simply click the name of that tutorial and you will get transferred there right away. As you follow a tutorial, you will come across links to video tutorials, to tutorials that describe helpful knitting methods, or links to charts and worksheets. All you need to do is click those links and they will take you to the resources that will help you master the knitting method described in that tutorial. The good part is that you don't need to log into a website or provide passwords to access all that information. It is all in a PDF file that you can download to your device right from the order confirmation. You can order your copy of any of the 8 collections at 10roseday.com/tutorials, or you can get them all in one money-saving bundle. But hurry, this bundle is a limited time product that is available only until Saturday, March 1st.